Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, Episode 1. I'm Aria. Today, you'll learn exactly how to productize an AI-assisted growth audit, a short, high-value diagnostic you can deliver in 7 to 10 days that proves value fast and converts into 5K plus retainers. Your skills are your freedom currency. If you're trading time for low-price discovery calls or writing long proposals that never close, you're bleeding energy and opportunities. I see nomads take weeks to win a client, only to realize the project is scope-heavy, underpaid, and impossible to deliver while on the move. That pattern kills momentum and morale. You deserve an entry offer that proves value quickly and respects your lifestyle. Promise, the AI-assisted Growth Audit gives you a 7 to 10 day, travel-friendly product that delivers 3 tangible outputs: a short executive brief, a KPI gap map, and a prioritized sprint plan with 1 or 2 quick wins. You charge $3K to $5K for this audit, and the audit becomes a conversion engine. The clarity you deliver makes the client comfortable signing a 5K plus retainer for execution. What the system is: anatomy and AI role. First deliverable, the executive brief, a concise 1-page summary that states the problem, the opportunity, and your recommended next step. Second, the KPI gap map, a simple visual or table showing current metrics, target metrics, and where the biggest gaps are. Third, the prioritized sprint plan, a 30-60-day actionable plan with ranked initiatives and the 2 fastest impact moves. AI accelerates each piece by synthesizing data, drafting the first pass of analysis, and creating tables and visualizations, but you add the strategic interpretation and the decision logic clients pay for. The audit is not a data dump, it's a decision tool.
Now, the 3-step actionable blueprint. Step 1, target and offer framing. Be surgical about who you sell this to. Ideal buyers are mid-market SaaS, DTC brands with $200K to $5 million ARR or revenue, or service firms looking to scale lead flow. Use client selection rules: revenue minimum, a named decision maker, and a clear budget range. Scope the audit tightly. Limit to a single platform or funnel, 7 to 10 day window, and 3 diagnostic areas max. Price it as a premium diagnostic, $3K to $5K, and include a clear change order clause, so this offer never mutates into a full project.
Step 2, fast evidence gathering and AI templates. Build an intake packet that asks for 3 things only: access to 1 analytics source, 1 sales or funnel artifact, and 1 business objective. Use AI to produce structured summaries. Run a prompt that extracts top 5 themes from analytics. Generate a SWOT-style summary of the funnel, and create a KPI comparison table. I recommend a 72-hour first insight sprint. By day 3, you should have 2 quick wins identified and the draft KPI gap map. Use reusable prompts and templates so you're not reinventing the wheel each time. Remember, AI speeds the assembly. You supply the judgment. Step 3, risk reverse delivery and the conversion close. Deliver the audit as a short, handoff-friendly package: 1 to 2 page executive brief, the KPI gap map, and the prioritized sprint plan. Present 2 conversion options in the final section: a 90-day retainer for execution, priced at a clear monthly rate, for example, $5K to $10K per month, depending on scope, and a smaller pilot if they prefer phased work. Use a conversion deadline, a 14-day window to accept the retainer terms, and offer a 1-call walkthrough to present findings. The audit should make the decision obvious. Your role in the walkthrough is to lead them to that choice. A quick real nomad example. Samira, a freelance growth consultant, was on the road in Lisbon. She packaged the audit at $4,000, limited scope to the paid acquisition funnel and onboarding flow, and used AI templates to analyze ad creative and onboarding drop-off in 72 hours. She delivered async via a 1-page brief and a 20-minute recorded walkthrough. Within a week, Samira secured a $7,000 per month retainer to run a 90-day growth sprint. Messaging that worked: I'll prove 1 high-leverage change in 10 days that moves your core metric. Then I'll own execution if you want to scale it.
Breakdown of Samira's timelines and messaging. Day 0, intake and access. Day 1 to 3, AI-assisted evidence gathering and quick win identification. Day 4 to 6, prepare KPI gap map and sprint plan. Day 7, deliver brief, record walkthrough, and propose the retainer. Her outreach message was short, a 1-paragraph problem statement, 1 social proof line, the audit price, and a clear calendar link. The tight timeline and deliverable clarity lowered the prospect's friction and created urgency.
Scale without burnout. Batch audits into blocks of 2 to 3 per month so you can reuse prompts, deploy the same templates, and record walkthroughs rather than doing live calls every time. Delegate data extraction and initial AI drafts to a vetted assistant or contractor. Keep the strategic interpretation as your premium contribution. Adopt energy-first client selection. No clients who insist on free discovery work, no projects outside your chosen scope, and a clear policy to convert out-of-scope asks into a paid extension. Reusable deliverable templates and a standard pricing menu will let you scale revenue without exponential hours.
Immediate action step. The 30-minute checklist to build your first audit offer. 1. Open a doc and write a 1-sentence offer. Who you help, what you diagnose, and the outcome. 2. Draft the 3 deliverable headings: executive brief, KPI gap map, prioritized sprint plan. 3. Create your intake packet with 3 mandatory items: analytics access, 1 funnel artifact, and top business objective. 4. Write your outreach message, 2 to 3 lines and a price. 5. Save 2 AI prompts, 1 for KPI extraction and 1 for quick win ideation. Do this in 30 minutes and you have a sellable audit package.
If you want templates, scripts, and the full audit checklist, enroll in the Nomad Audit Kit. It includes intake forms, AI prompt packs, slide and brief templates, and the messaging swipe files I use on the road. The kit will shave days off your setup and increase your close rate. Charge what you're worth and build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health.
That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take 1 action this week and start seeing results. Your skills are your freedom currency. I'll see you tomorrow for another practical system you can use while you travel.